Okay, good morning guys, let's rush with 550. I'm sorry to deliver it late, but there's no time. We have to do what we can. It's gonna be a 5 minute video. So the first code is 126. Let me go and create the second code. We should go to the calculator first. Let me see, that is 3146. Actually, we add all these three numbers: 29, 3146, 29, 31, 46 plus, then you say plus 55. We're going to get 161. So our code is 161 and 126. So as you can see, the banker on this number should be 26 and 16. Do you see the 26 and 16? Then after that, what you do is we add 1 plus 26 is 27. 27 is the third banker. We subtract to get 25. Then there we add to get 17. We subtract to get 15. So our bankers, actually, it should be, let's just do a random pairing. Maybe just a random pair and see. Because we got 161, we got 126. So if we're going to do a random pair, we're going to say 27, 26, 12, 26, 2, 16. Then we say 16, 1, 16, 17, I think. And then maybe we say 16, 26. Just in that case, then we add 49 to make it a 3 numbers. Actually, I'll have time, guys, to demonstrate actually how we do create this kind of game in 550. Because 550 it plays in the morning, it plays late, but it's actually a paying game. It's nice. There's a book actually for this. There's a book, I forgot to remind you, there's a book for 550. I know some of you guys doing 550, so there's a book for 550. You must get it. It's only 550. So let me just quickly do this one. I think this, you can play this, guys. You can play this for now. You can play this. And then the other strategy is goes like this. You have to add all these 4 numbers. Then you say plus what? 55. This 55 formula is dangerous. So let's go and check in the calculator. 31, 46, 27, 44. And then we will say 31, 46, 27, 44. 44, then you say plus 55, you get 203, 203. So our third code is 203, which is, if you subtract you get a 17, if you add you get a 23. In the other hand, you can as well say 23. So add also these numbers. So as for the one for late, you can always follow what I was showing you here. The codes, try to do that. You might as well have you might as well be lucky. So I didn't want to combine these 2 videos for UK Fortnite and 550 because some of you guys don't play 550. So if ever I do a 550 video and UK Fortnite, it should be separate, because I know some of you guys, they like United Kingdom, they don't want to hear anything about Ghost Lotto. But I do recommend you guys to also try out Ghost Lotto. It's amazing, especially this 550. Imagine in the morning you win 3 numbers, already I've got 6,000 rand, just like that with 5 rand. You see, it's profitable. Then you start playing a UK Fortnite with power and with faith. You know, once you win the first draw, you know that on the second draw I'm coming with confidence, you see. So that's why it is important for you guys to start earlier with what? With 550. Then the second draw for 749. Me, I play like that: 550, 749, UK Fortnite. I know that if I win on 550 and maybe on 749, then maybe if I lose on UK, but at least I got something, you know. Because it's not like I play the games because I love all of them. I mean, all of these games, I love them. Can be 550, can, because I know there's money, you know. That's why I'm saying I'm in love with all of these games. So yeah, guys, this is what it is. If you need to get yourself a copy of a book, for each and every draw that I post, there is a book. There is Cash for Life. You know, there's another game called Cash for Life. There's Make a Million, there's Powerball, there's 536, then there is UK Fortnite. I've got books for each and every. Those books have got strategies, because sometimes it's hard for me to explain in a video form, because it will end up being 100 minutes and no one will watch such kind of video. So if you summarize it, put it on a book, It's an ebook either way. You see, you can get it anytime and anywhere. So I always leave a link. Thank you very much, guys.